In this video, I am going to show you best voice to text converter online for free, and there is no credit card required as well. So let's get started. Click on get started free. Here you can sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email or password. I am going with Google. Click on this. Now continue. Here you can click on skip for now. Here you need to write your name. I'm writing my name, Fix Master. Now, will you be using Podcastle for education? I am an educator. Personal use, yes, frequently, and then click on continue. There are lots of tools in this website, but I am going with transcription. Click on transcription. Here you can import audio or video. I am importing video, and then click on open. Now you can select any language as well in which you want to transcribe or convert voice or audio to text. I am selecting English, and now click on transcribe. It takes some time to convert audio to text. Now it's transcribing audio. Here you can see the video is converted into text. If you have an MP3 file, it will also convert into text. Here you can see there are other options as well. You can record your voice. I am recording my voice. Hello, 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 hello. It will convert this message into text. Now I want to convert this recording into text. Click on transcribe. It is now transcribing my recorded audio. Here is the text that I recently recorded. So here is the text. If you want to listen this audio, you can click on play.
To Google Map. So, let's dive in. The first step is to open the Google Maps app on your mobile device.
You can export this transcript easily by clicking on export button. You can export it into PDF or docs. I am going with PDF. Now you can see the transcript has downloaded into your computer. Let's open it. Here you can see this is the script of video or audio. You can use it anywhere. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.